Hi everybody, my name is Hannah and this is Pepper and Pine, and I have a kit to share with you today. This is the Seashell Search by Excavating Adventures. This is an excavating dig kit. You can get these kits as a monthly subscription or you can buy them individually. They are really nicely made and so beautifully packaged. They're just beautiful. We loved opening them up and finding all the extra treasures that come with this kit. They're really different than the previous dig kits that we do. We actually love our dig and excavation kits, and we've used them a lot in the past to complement our homeschool main lesson blocks and unit studies. This one comes with a lot of extras that really increase the educational value of this kit, and I really do appreciate that since we are using these for educational purposes. It comes with cards that identify each of the shells or specimens that you're going to find in the kit with additional information on the back. It also comes with a sleeve for you to store your cards, and you can put this into a 3-ring binder as you collect them from all of the kits that you do. And it also comes with unique dig materials in this tiny little tin. It's quite small, but it packs a punch. I'm going to show you how many amazing specimens you get in them. So I'm working along with my daughter who's 9. My son who's 14 also did some of these as well. I think it works well for all ages. Even older children really love this, and honestly, I probably would really enjoy going through it as well. This one has kinetic sand, which is such a cool idea since you're going to be excavating seashells. So why not put it in some kinetic sand, which you can use once the excavation is all done. It also comes with a container to store your special specimen, and also all the kits come with a little extra treat or gift or a little project that you get to do. So I'm going to show you that one in just a little bit because it took a few days to do actually. So we're going to need some water for this. This is a little hermit crab that grows in water. It took several days for him to completely make a showing, and at the end of this video I'm going to show you as he emerges from the water, from his little shell. It's super cute and such a nice addition to this kit. So here's the little tin. It is really small, but you get so many specimens in this. What I really like about these discovery kits is that they are small, manageable, and can be done within about a half an hour. Some of our previous excavation kits are usually set in plaster or some other material that takes several days to excavate and can get a little bit laborious for the younger student. So these kits are really great for students of all ages, but especially the young ones, because you can excavate this within a half an hour and still have the enjoyment of doing the excavation as well as the prolonged educational value that you get to explore these things long after the excavation kit is done because you have your cards and your little identification card as well. So my daughter's just going to use her fingers to excavate through the kinetic sand and identify the different shells as she pulls them out. And that card that comes with the kit shows all of the specimens that you're going to excavate, and it fits right into that little plastic container, and they have chosen just enough specimens to fit in each of the little squares of the container, and they coordinate with the card themselves. So it's really nicely done. I love those kinds of details where they have thought through how you're going to excavate, how you're going to identify, and of course, how you're going to store your treasures once you're done, because I know that these would get lost all over the house if we didn't have them in this little container. Check out our little hermit crab. He is starting to grow a day later. You can see his claws kind of peeking out, and you can see those little eyes still are inside. Here, a few days later, he's coming out even a little bit more, and you can see that shell now starts to look a lot smaller, and that little hermit crab seems a lot bigger. And look at this. We just left him in there for a week, and he is enormous. He's so big, I think he's ready for a new shell. I really loved that little addition to the kit. It really kind of brought some joy and excitement to this excavation kit. We've been using these excavation kits to go along with our main lesson blocks in these different subject areas. You can tap on the screen right now to check out some of those playlists. Don't forget to check out the blog post that accompanies this video. That link is down in the description box below. And if you want to see how our homeschool is progressing on a daily basis, you can find me on Instagram at Pepper and Pine.